Today I'm going to replace the shield that comes on the right hand side of the vehicle. This is a 2008 Matrix and the shield is missing. Part of the shield is missing. Let me show you what I mean. So this is the engine shield, and as you can see it's just flapping because this piece here has been cut off. You can see it over here. This piece is missing. This piece is still intact. So I'm going to replace it all together. This is an aftermarket part and the part number is T310122. I think I paid like $15 for it, whereas the OEM part was about $75. So it's just a piece of plastic, and I think it will help protect this part of the engine from things like road debris and sand and water and things like that. So that's why I decided to replace it. The driver's side has the shield right now, so that's good to go, but this one is missing, so that's why I want to replace this one. Just trying to get the vehicle back to OEM or as original as possible without spending too much money. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to remove the screws on this. There are some screws. There's a screw here and one a little further back. I'm going to just remove those and see what else I need to loosen and then replace it. All right, so let me show you the orientation of it. It goes like this. Like this. All right, and I'm going to use some clips like these, and I got a container of them from Harbor Freight. Assortment, Pittsburgh Automotive Fastener Kit, and it has a whole bunch of them, all possible sizes. So I'm going to try to see which one is going to work for my purpose and then install it. I'll get back to you. Okay, so it's replaced. This is the old one, which was cut like where my hand is. So, and this is the replacement, which starts in the back here. There's a push clip in the back, and then two screws in the middle and the front. And then coming along here, I had push pins here. 1, 2, 3, and another one over here. And that completes it. Nice and firm now. Oh, and there's another one here. So the clips I used were these, which work very well, and I also use one of these for this one, which joins the shield, the wheel liner shield, with the shield that I just installed right there. So it's nice and firm now, not going anywhere. And I'm very pleased with the way this came out. And like I said, it cost me about $15 or $17. I actually bought it on Walmart, where it was cheaper than anywhere else. Walmart website. And it seems to be decent quality. A little ribbed and stuff compared to the cheaper one that's over here. So all in all, so this completes the shields. One here, one there. And the wheel liners over here and one on the other side. Looks a lot better, and I can still access the oil filter, which is right here, without any issue. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.